Let today we will start new topic electric dipole. Di means two. So what is electric dipole? When two-point charges of equal magnitude but of opposite nature are very close to each other, then it is called an electric dipole. For example, atoms or molecules of NH3, H2O, alcohol, CO2 and HCl, etc. Always remember the dipole length is 2A or 2L, or you can assume that 2x, 2y. Another topic is dipole moment. Dipole moment is defined as the product of either charge of electric dipole and the distance between them. It is denoted by small p and it is vector quantity. That is P is equal to Q into 2A. Its SI unit is coulomb meter. Next topic is ideal dipole. In ideal dipole, the charge is larger and the distance is very small, but dipole moment, that is P is equal to Q into 2A, is constant. An ideal dipole is the smallest dipole which has almost no size. From this topic, the MCQ question can be asked. Write the name of smallest dipole. Then its answer is ideal dipole. Dipole field intensity. The electric field produced by an electric dipole is called dipole field. Now we find the electric field intensity due to the dipole. In previous topic, we see that the equation of electric field intensity due to the point charge, its equation is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. That is, when we are writing the equation of electric field intensity, due to the any charge at a certain distance, then we have divide this charge with the square of the distance between the charge and the point. Same concept is used in the derivation of electric field intensity due to electric dipole. First we find the electric dipole intensity on its axial line. It is also known as end-on position. The question can be asked, find the electric field intensity due to dipole on its axial line, or find the electric field intensity due to dipole end-on position. To find the electric field intensity due to dipole on its axial line, first we assume a dipole naming AB having length 2a, then we took a point P on its axial line, which lies at a distance r from the center of the electric dipole. Then we have to find electric field intensity at P. Later on, we consider a unit positive charge on point P on which we have to find the electric field intensity due to electric dipole. If E1 is the electric field intensity at P due to plus Q charge at A, then E1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A to the power 2. The direction of this intensity along PC, that means outward direction, because all of you know that in case of positive charge, the line of forces are in outward direction. So we show the direction in outward. Similarly, we can write the electric field intensity at P due to a minus Q charge at B. Then E2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A का whole square along inward direction. We have to write the direction inward. That means along, here we write along PD, which show the direction inward. In both equations, it is clear that due to one pole, that means due to the positive pole of the dipole, the electric field intensity is outward, and due to the negative pole of the dipole, the electric field intensity is inward. That means both intensities direction is in opposite. Then due to which pole the intensity is greater? First we have to observe it. In both the equation E1 and E2, you see Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Only in denominator 1 in E1 1 by R plus A whole square, in E2 1 by R minus A whole square. That means in which fraction numerator is smaller, this fraction is greater. So here E2, the expression of E2 is greater. So to find the resultant electric field intensity, E equal to, we write E2 minus E1. Putting the value of E2 and E1 here, in place of E2, we write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. The direction is along the E2 because E2 is greater than E1. Here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common in the both terms. So first we takes common from both terms Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, under big bracket we write 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Now we took the LCM of R minus A whole square and R plus A whole square. Its LCM is, under small bracket, R square minus A square to the power 2. Now dividing this LCM with R minus A square, we got R plus A whole square. Similarly, dividing this LCM with R plus A to the power 2, we got R minus A to the power 2. Now we simplify the R plus A square minus R minus A whole square in the form of A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square, and simplify it, we got Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 R A by R square minus A square to the whole power 2. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 4 R A by R square minus A square to the power 2. In this term, 4 R A can be written as in the form of 2A into 2R. Then the equation becomes Q into 2A into 2R by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square to the power 2. We know that dipole moment is the product of magnitude of either charge and the dipole length. So here Q is the magnitude of either pole of the dipole and 2A is the dipole length. In place of Q into 2A, we can write P. Therefore, our final equation for the resultant intensity E equal to P into 2R divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square to the power whole 2. It is our final equation of electric field intensity due to a dipole on its axial line at a point which lies at a distance r from the center of dipole. In a special case, if dipole is short, that means it is very small. In this case, 2A is much less than R. That means distance of the point P from the center of the dipole. When we assuming any quantity much less than to the other quantity, then in equation those quantity we are assuming very small, its higher power is neglected. So here higher power of A is A square, so A square can be neglected as compared to R square. Therefore, our above equation becomes E is equal to 2P by 4 pi epsilon naught RQ. Now, we see in the previous topic electric field intensity due to a point charge. Now, today we see the electric field intensity due to the electric dipole on its axial line. Then what is the difference between them is electric field intensity due to a point charge obey the inverse square law of distance, that is E is proportional to 1 by R square. In case of the dipole, the electric field intensity is proportional to 1 by RQ. This point kept in your mind because frequently the MCQ question can be asked. The electric field intensity due to dipole is, and 4 option is given, 1 by R, 1 by R square, 1 by RQ. None of the above. Then you have to recall it. Due to the dipole, the electric field intensity is proportional to the 1 by RQ, that means 1 by distance to the power 3. But in case of point charge, it is 1 by R square. It's all for